First, today we are going to write a program of to find the area of circle, to find the area of square, area of rectangle, and means indirectly we just want to use some basic operator, and we will learn how to use the basic operator, just like plus, minus, divide, multiplication. That's all. Let's finish this today. So open Sublime. That's nice. Here's include our stream using namespace std int main, and today we will use float. Okay, do you know why? Because it can take the decimal values. Float a let's take is better. Let's take r. Okay, for radius. This program is for find the area of circle. That's it. First of all, let's save this so you can get directly what I am writing. Basic operator operator.cpp. That's it. Okay guys, so we will find the area of circle. This is float r. We will pass any value to this, any radius value to this r, and by cin we can inject the value. This is r, and we also know what is the formula of area of circle, how to find the area of circle. So formula is area of circle is pi r square, means pi, here pi's value is 3.14 r. This is simple formula of pi area of circle, pi r square. So we already know about this, pi r square, and here r we will assign the r. And what's the value of pi? We all know the value of pi is 3.14. That's it, isn't it? Yeah, that's it. By the way, 3.14 is better. Okay, so here take another variable, just like temp variable. No, temp not is the right option. Area, area. Okay, we take this area for storing the value what we calculated here. Pi, the value of pi is 3.14, so we directly assign 3.14 multiply r. So we just have to write r square, means r. Okay, this means r into r, that's r square, pi r square. That's simple. And we have to print what we calculated here. So area and return 0. Okay, let's compile this, and here there is no error, so we have to go to terminal, and in terminal let's clear this. What this is clear, and now we will compile this. So we are already at the given address, and now we will g++. What's the name of this? Basic vas. This is the name of file .cpp -o, and next basic.out. This is compiled successfully, there is not any bugs. And now basic.out, and we have to pass the value of r. Let's pass 45. Okay, 45 now. So this is float value, and we know the answer should be in decimal. Why in decimal? Because the value of pi is 3.14, and after calculating with the decimal digits, the value should also come in decimal. So the right answer is 6358.5. that's right answer. Now let's see the program, how to find the area of square as q square. For here we will take int int, and actually there are 4 sides present in square but of equal measurement. That's why we should take a simple variable side s, and in this s we have to assign the value of side. Here we should also write area of square is equal to side square, into uh, side into side. Okay, and here we have also defined this side, SIDE. Nice. Let's compile this program. There is not any bugs. Oh, there is it. So what is it? Use of undeclared identifier area. Yo, yeah, that's area. We define side. That's area. ARE. Simple. And why we define side? We should define S. Only S, because here we take only S. That's why now compile this. There will not any error. I'm definitely sure. Now let's check out. Compile this again and basic.out. Now we have to give the input of S. So what should take S? We will take 20. 20, is it right? Or 200? Let's take 200, the bigger one. Okay, so guys, what should be the answer? First check what should be the answer. We just pass 200. Okay, so here we initialize 200. We give an input 200 and it will get stored in S. Okay, S. And here is the area we are going to calculate. So that's it, 200 into 200. That's it. That is 40,000. And so the 40,000, whatever it calculates, that will store in the area. And by this statement we will see what's the answer, means what's stored in the area. Let's check out. So terminal, here we pass 200 and by pressing enter the answer should be 40,000. Okay, are you ready for it? 40,000. Are you get what I'm saying? You definitely get it. So now it's time to do area of. Let's find out some typical type of example area of. So now we will write the program of to find the area of trapezium. Okay guys, have you heard before this? Obviously, this is trapezium. Okay, I will show you this picture. This is trapezium. Do you know what's the formula of trapezium? Yeah, you already know about this. So we just have to initialize what the variable should use in finding the area of trapezium. So we should use the value of side A, B, the value of height. That's it. By this we can easily get the area of trapezium and AREA. And we should also get input from by the user A, B, C, H, trapezoid. Okay, we will find the area of trapezoid. So the area of trapezoid, the formula is A into V into H, and the whole thing will divided by 2. That's the area of trapezoid. Now we just calculate the area of trapezoid. We just have first calculate A into V. Okay, so A into V and into H, height, divided by 2, and what will be calculated in this, that gets stored in the area, and we will see what's stored in that area. Let's compile this program. Hope you there is not any bugs. Let's compile this, and remember we have to give 3 input here, for A, for V, for H. Now let's give the input. The first side is 10, the second one is 15, and we will give the height of 20. Okay, fine. And the area of trapezoid is 1500. That's great. So guys, we learned how to play with these type of operators. These are very simple. Hope you get all of this and stay cool. We will see you in next episode.